Aziza. You should have told me that you're a sharpshooter.
Can't teach you what you're about. My brother is God's doing, you know. I'm a sharpshooter by God's grace.
But wait, I didn't know you can handle a gun. Aziza, as you are like this, you can even handle a gun. You that is leba like you.
My brother, I'm a sharpshooter by God's grace.
Try.
What can you do? What can you do? What's your destiny? What can you do?
Aziza, are you here listening to this nonsense? And by the way, Okoro, when did this rubbish started? You this small boy, yo. Aziza, want this guy, yo. Want this boy, yo. I will just keep you in a condition that you would not like. Be very careful with me, yo.
Don't give me that look. Because all this thing now is not even the point. Don't even look at me that way.
Imagine.
I'll blow off your eyes. See, the point here is that, the point is that we have rendered that foolish philanthropist fatherless. you know like that have a father to brag.
Exactly.
The lion of Judah or the lion of Mbago.
Lion of Oba.
Lion of Oba. We have dealt with him.
Exactly.
He is now fatherless. He should go and register himself in the motherless baby school.
Orphanage. By the way, Okoro, who is it, Toro?
You see, Toro, as his father or as his guardian. Why are you asking me?
Oh, this boy. Aziza, want this boy. Else. Okoro, you know like what I'll do to you. I'm sending it as a warning now. Okoro, this is the very last time. Okoro, be very, very careful. Else, I will place you in a condition you not like.
Can you people just bring down your voice for a little time, people? I'm here concentrating on the next attack I will strike in this year. Are you people stopping me? Lolo Kanta. And for you, Ababu, to answer your question, to clear your mind so I will rest. Itoro has been inside the toilet since 2 hours.
You see, I want this boy called Itoro not to be eating too much. I want him, yet he will not listen. Okay, now imagine, for the past 2 hours. Right.
That's not even the point. The point is not about the eating. How can somebody be consuming akara plus beans and egg? And that way you used to like all this pomo, all this scandal meat. And you expect, and you don't expect a running stomach. Who does that now?
6 classes of food.
Why won't you have a running stomach?
That guy eats too much. That Itoro eats too much.
I am going to place that
That can't see Toro. Running stomach.
What should I say? Flying stomach.
He's got a driving stomach. And that guy be like, yeah, he's a brother. Imagine, he's his brother.
He has the same shape.
And this guy eats.
I beg, Oga, we dey look for our father, abeg. Yes, our father.
Okay. About my brother. Okay, both of you are looking for your father.
Yes, our father. Our mother told us that he lives in a city. Yes.
Your mother? She not be in a city. He be on the city, Johnny.
Yes, she said our father lives in a city.
Wonderful. Fantabulous. Now, firstly, we don't know your father.
And secondly,
oh yes.
Yes, not the police station.
Tell them.
Oh yeah, I don't really like to stress myself. Yeah, it's not the, if you are looking for somebody, better go and report him, make an entry in the police station.
God bless you.
What is this? So you should go to a fatherless baby's home.
Openly, look at them. That's what
baby's home.
Imagine. Don't talk too much.
I love you so much. More chicken for you.
More chicken for me. Hey. Landlord, you see this here? All the gossip. You know, say me be with now. The gossip. I will gossip everything.
Any information you bring, any gossip, we kind of bring up for me. More chicken for you.
Landlord, I'm the gossipers of the gossipers.
I love that English.
I can gossip anything.
This shocked me. I love it so much. Hey, bring up for me. Bring up for me. Bam.
Let's go now. I will tell you anything. Where is Aziz and the rest?
I don't know why I go to where you know. What are this much?
They are party.
I love you so much.
Jesus.
What am I seeing? Oh, is it my old age eye is stopping me? What am I really seeing?
Okay, Landlord, what is happening now? What is happening here? What is happening?
Jesus.
What is wrong?
These kids look like my children. Huh? Ken and Ebe. Let's go. Let me go and see what they Hey, look at my children. How are you? Can you now? What is that? Hey! This is about children. I'm saying, how are you?
No wonder the devil is black.
Exactly.
What do you mean?
Look at them.
You are so privileged, though.
I go for you people.
The same height, all of them.
Thank you.
Like papa, like children.
Who will even agree to marry this rubbish? Who will even agree to marry this rubbish?
Wedlock.
And look at him.
You people are old fools.
Shut up. This is that you are collaborating from one room to the other.
Bomber to bomber.
Begging for food.
Eating chicken. Imagine you.
Look at you.
I don't do anything. Father, you are talking to me. Shut up, you disintegrated youth. You don't do anything. Look at you, toothpick.
Look at this one second sleeping parrot.
Stay in.
Of a lepacious human being.
Don't do that. And airplane.
What is your nomenclature? What is your nomenclature?
Rubbish.
Just look at you. Who take you back again? Rubbish.
Be very, very careful. You 20 verse of insult.
Shut up.
Imagine that soon. Yes, up there. And you. Ghana charge material into 250. Calico material for that matter. Be very, very careful.
Very careful.
Don't let me change it for you. I will place you in a condition that you not like. Aziza, want this for you? Nonsense human being. Rubbish you. Just look at you. Aneko. I'm a big boy. You people are only landlord. 12 years. You it's not easy. It's not easy to hold a student for 12 years. It's an achievement. Look at the kind of shoe you are wearing. And so what? My grandfather cannot wear this thing. I'm going. You know it. Get out from here. I don't have the time. Get out.
Woman advisedly. Imagine, look at this documented idiot.
Uncircumcised you.
Look at all they don't shake up.
See.
Don't tempt me. I'm very Okoro. See, there is a big problem. Because now the landlord has 2 rascal sons.
Problem has started though.
We have to deal with them. This is another battlefield.
Yeah, exactly.
What to do?
Who knows where landlord pick those rascals from?
Imagine.
Nonsense.
I'm going to my landlord after.
For you, Ibekwe, For you, Ibekwe.
No one knows tomorrow.